Morning all, how are we? So this is a little video that I don't know how many people know this, but I thought, you know what, I'll do a little video on it anyway, just in case. If you do, stick it down in the comments. If you didn't, again, let me know, and it will make sense. So what we've got here is a blower motor. This is off a little Polo 2023 plate, mostly the same for Volkswagen Hardy routes, right? Did you know that these blower motors are balanced, right? And they have little weights on the blades. It would make sense, wouldn't it? Just like a wheel. Obviously, you're spinning this blower motor at steady speeds. If it's got any slight vibrations and that, obviously wheel weights are going to make it not wheel weights, but wheel weights in this instance are going to reduce the vibrations. And obviously, if one of these is without this, it's vibrating in the dash, make a right noise. It really affects the user's sort of experience. But yeah, they pop little weights on just to reduce the vibrations a little bit, and obviously make it more refined for user use. So there you go, guys. If you didn't know, sweet. Let me know your experiences on these little things.